In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord installation failed. So what you want to do is open up Run. So you can find Run by right-clicking on your Windows icon and then clicking on Run or Windows R. And then type in the following. You can type in %appdata and then click OK. And then in this folder, you're going to see a bunch of folders here. Locate Discord. And what you want to do is delete it. So just right-click Delete. And then click on the top here where you see app data roaming, click on app data and then click on local, and then over here locate Discord again and then delete it again. And now once you did that, you want to go to your browser and reinstall Discord. So let's search for Discord download, and here it is. So just click download from here to reinstall Discord and try it again. So if this still didn't work, you can try updating your disk drives. So go to device manager, and then over here open up disk drives and then update whatever's inside. Click on update driver when you right click, and that's about it. This should fix your problem, and that's it. If you have any other issues and Discord is still not installing, you can contact support. But that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.